That's a lot of wood out, bud. What you think?
So much wood.
Okay, so all of these bad or end woods, the junk wood we call them, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one of these totes and just throw them on there, so we're not handling it too much. So whenever we need to use for our firewood or stuff that we want to burn, we'll just take it out of this tote here. So that's what we're gonna do. Guys, so we almost got a face cord done. Took us about maybe an hour. We'll get a few more about on there. What? We'll get a few more on that. Fill it up to here. Dad's gonna bring in the skid loader, huh? And then what Dad will do is Dad will move this one in there.
Okay, and then we'll bundle it, or?
No, not yet.
Okay.
We're gonna fill up 3 more of these.
Okay.
You know. All right, guys, we're gonna take out this. We should give this skid loader a name. What should we name the skid loader, bud? T-Rex. Yeah, I think we'll name it T-Rex. All right, you guys. We gave this Bobcat a name, so it's gonna be T-Rex. And we're gonna take this guy out and bring in the one face cord. What is that? One face cord into our shop here. That way, you guys. Once we get it all filled, we're gonna bundle them.
Yep.
Alright guys, so we're gonna leave T-Rex out. We got a name for it. Let's see, bud. Let me get in here, maybe I'll just scoop it out this way. T-Rex out, and we're gonna leave them out until we get done moving some of this. Try to get most of the snow off of here. What you think, bud? Production?
Yeah.
What that took about an hour to get that face cord. One face cord. One face cord is $100.
We got here like 12
Yeah.
something.
Yeah, we got here around close to 12:30, and we didn't get that first one. Dad looked at it like 1:30. We got done. So it's not a snow. Here, give me the glass. Give me your glasses. But like the ones that are already, you can stick in there.
This one. Or just like chuck it over there.
Alright guys, we spent a few hours down here today and we got a lot done. Got a lot done. Much easier.
Yeah.
That was fun to watch, seeing the truck come with the wood.
Is that so much?
We haven't made a dent, you guys. And
Let's count that.
yeah, we got what do we get? 2 face cords done? Yeah, we got 2 face cords done, you guys.
He brought 4 cords.
Yeah, he brought 4 cords, so we have like 12 face cords, I believe. Yeah. And so we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. And here it is, our wood yard. Yeah, look at that. So I'm gonna take the T-Rex there and move that into the garage so it dries, unthaws and dries overnight. And then tomorrow, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna start bundling, you guys. That's what we're gonna do. You know, get a different change of pace. And so we got this tote yet to fill up, and then we have got all this scrap. So all right, guys, that is it for today. Make sure you guys go give Ashton a follow on his Instagram page. I'll link it down below. Check out his YouTube channel as well. And you guys, if you like our videos like this, give us a thumbs up and let me know down in the comment if you guys like videos. I mean, this is what we do in the winter. And so but I will give you guys more detail about why we went that route, buying it already processed. So maybe on the next video we'll talk about that some more. Until next time, you guys, later.
Later.